Good morning. I'm gonna do one of those little wake up with me videos because this is too much fun. Good morning, Finch. Good morning. He's already gotten up and went on a little walk. One of the perks of being out in the woods. First things first, hydration. And then I think it's time to get my teeth brushed, figure out what I'm gonna wear today, get my outfit pulled out of my closet. This is my laundry hamper. Hey, you better get off the tent. Back up. I stripped my rain fly off last night. It got hot and there was no chance of rain. There is rain today, so it's gonna have to go back on. You are ridiculous. Do not get in there. Keep mosquitoes out of there for now. Now, pick out stuff from my wardrobe. There's the wardrobe for now.